What is up, YouTube? Today I will be bringing you Tata. I'm making a YouTube video.
That's why I'm quiet.
Oh my god. Well, you're in the camera.
Oh. You want me in there?
Well, oh my god, I just broke it. Oh my god. You kidding me?
I'm jumping on the band. Yeah. Wait, give me a second. Oh, I'm bad at it. 24. Give me a Ah! 6 times 4. Yo! Did I chip my tooth? Okay, fine. Has your tooth always been back like that? I don't know. Yeah.
Go.
Set it there. Go.
Crank it up. Alright. Oh, crap!
Yo, where did that go? Oh, the bearing came out. Oh, man.
You get that on video?
I am the one inside. Oh, okay. Guys, I love fidget spinners. So past few weeks, my whole school has freaking got fidget spinners. They got gold ones. They got freaking red ones. Any color fidget spinners you guess, they have it. What the frick? I want a better, I'm in love with, everyone's saying that my fidget spinner is stupid. It's cool, man. You can't say it's stupid unless you have one. Okay? Three-sided one, they're cool. They're awesome. I actually like them a lot. But I love this one because for one, it's metal. For two, holy crap, I love it. And for three, it's gold. And it was a better price than, it was a way bigger price than a freaking normal fidget spinner. So this one, a normal plastic fidget spinner. So this one has to be way better. Gold fidget spinner, two-sided. What the frick? My battery is too low, guys, so I better hurry up with this video. Gold fidget spinner, shout out to it. Look at this. Look at this. 1 sec. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I guess it only does it for the normal camera. Since it's a YouTube camera, you know. But yeah, listen to this. Hear it? That's it. Guys, get this. And I will see y'all when you get this. Like, subscribe if you really like this fidget spinner. I love it. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.